Alright. Yes, I have a dirty floor and a dirty couch. I don't need you to judge that. I'm gonna show you guys a tutorial. I have some light blue color here. And to get this kind of cloudy effect, what you do is you put it on the canvas like this. See? And then you go like this with your finger until it turns kind of dry. And you just keep doing that around. You get some more. And you do it again, whatever area you want to do. And you rub it. And then it does that. It's a really cool technique. And you can make like some cool cloudy effects like that. God bless you. Bye-bye.